In Kanpur, a policeman appears to fire a gun at protesters who are throwing stones. In Muzaffarnagar, those demonstrating are beaten. Even an older man. In Meerut, police break CCTV cameras mounted on shops in a Muslim locality. Nearly a week since clashes broke out in the state of Uttar Pradesh over India's new citizenship law, videos have been emerging that raise serious questions about police behavior against Muslim protesters. 19 have died in the state, all civilians. Most had bullet injuries, like Muhammad Mohsin. His mother says he wasn't part of the protests, but had gone out to buy fodder when he was shot in the chest. The 28-year-old was the father of this baby. We want justice. The police killed my son, she told me. Who'll care for his children now? Police say they didn't open fire. They claim some among the protesters had guns.
एक दो फायरिंग हमारे समझ से तितर बितर करने के लिए हवाई फायरिंग जरूर की गई थी। जहाँ तक मुझे याद आ रहा है 37 राउंड कारतूस 315 बोर के मिले, 32 बोर के शायद लगभग 20 के आसपास 18-20 समथिंग कुछ है कारतूस मिले। तो ये बताता है कि तैयारी किस कदर थी बलवाइयों की।
But that's not all security forces are being accused of. I went to one of the homes allegedly vandalized by the police in the dead of the night. In room after room, hardly anything left unbroken. There was jewellery in this box and cash in the tin. It was all stolen, Humaira Parveen tells me. There were many policemen and some people in plain clothes. They told us to go from here and that our house would soon become theirs, she says. So what if I'm a Muslim? Don't I have a right to live in India? In every locality, we were told of homes that had been ransacked. Many here see the police action and the law as part of the ruling party's Hindu nationalist agenda. The government insists Indian Muslims won't be affected by the new citizenship rules, and it's blamed protesters for the violence.
50,000 लोग थे, शायद देश में 50,000 लोग कहीं इकट्ठा नहीं हुए। जो मोटरसाइकिल सामने आग लगा दी गई, पथराव ऐसा जबरदस्त था, मैं मौके पे मौजूद था। गिरफ्तार पुलिस घर में जाके करेगी, कहीं बाहर करेगी। गिरफ्तारी करेंगी और गिरफ्तारी पे हाथापाई होंगे, वहां मोहल्ले में लोग इकट्ठे होते हैं।
What they've witnessed over the past 2 weeks has left many from the Muslim community here worried about what kind of future they're facing in India. The government is trying to allay fears about the new citizenship law, but even before that's implemented, the handling of the protests has already had a tangible impact on the ground. Religious polarization has deepened.